25-ounce reusable Tritan flip-top water bottle with a FreeSip spout and push-button lid with lock. FreeSip Spout technology features both a built-in straw for sipping and a large spout opening for swigging. Protective push-button open lid keeps spout clean. Convenient carry loop doubles as a lock. Wide opening for cleaning and adding ice. Cup holder friendly base. Made a BPA and phthalate-free, stain and odor-resistant durable Eastman Tritan plastic. Dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. Happy customer. I do not like to drink water. But since I have bought this FreeSip water bottle, I take it everywhere. I easily finish 2 of them per day. I had already purchased the stainless steel versions, but this one is light enough to carry on my walks. I toss both the top and bottom in the dishwasher weekly. I never thought I would write about a water bottle, but this one is so easy to use. Even when driving. I am quite happy with the purchase.